Good morning, dear students. Today we will do chapter number 27. The name of chapter is Firsts in Indian Cinema. Open your books, page number 38. This chapter is given on page number 38. This chapter comes under unit Literature and Entertainment section A. So kindly open page number 38 with me. So here, as the name of the chapter is Firsts in Indian Cinema, so here what we have to do, we have to match the firsts with their record holders. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So the first question is, these are given in the form of match the following. Okay, here in front of this, I have just directly write the answer. Who was the first actor to play a double role in Indian cinema? So the answer is Miss Anna Saluke was first actor who played a double role both as a hero and heroine in Lanka Dahan. Next question is, who was the first Indian to win an Oscar for lifetime achievement? So here answer is Mr. Satyajit Ray. Let me tell some more facts about it. Mr. Satyajit Ray, he won an honorary Oscar Award 1992 for lifetime achievement. Here, which point is given at the 7th point. First, I want to do this because they both are interrelated. I want to clarify it so that you do not face any problem. This is who was the first Indian to win an Oscar. Now see the difference. They are asking who was the first Indian to win an Oscar, and here they are asking who was the first Indian to win an Oscar for lifetime achievement. So for this question, 7th one, who was the first Indian to win an Oscar? The answer is Miss Bhanu Athaiya. She was a popular costume designer. She claimed India's first Oscar for the 1982 historical movie Gandhi. If we talk about Mr. Satyajit Ray, he was awarded an honorary Oscar award in 1992 for lifetime achievement. So the next is, which was the first Indian 3D film? So the answer is My Dear Kuti Chetty. Fourth is, which was the first film to have won an international award? So the answer for this is Sita. Sita was a 1933 Indian talkie Bengali film. Sita was a 1933 Indian talkie Bengali film which won an international award. Next is, which was India's first indigenously made color film? So the name is Kisan Kanya. This was Kisan Kanya. It was a 1937 Hindi cine color feature film which was directed by Moti Gidwani and produced by Ardisar Irani of Imperial Pictures. So the answer for this is Kisan Kanya. It was a 1937 Hindi color film. Next is, which was the first Indian film to be directed by female director? So the answer for this question is Bulbul-e-Paristan. Bulbul-e-Paristan was the first Indian film which was directed by female director. Now moving on to next. The last is, which was the first Indian film to be nominated for an Oscar in the foreign language category? So the answer for this is Mother India. Mother India was the first Indian film to be nominated for an Oscar in foreign language category. I hope all these points are clear. Now moving on to the next page. Now move on to section B of Literature and Entertainment, which is given on page number 87. Here you can see two columns have been given. Here you have to match. The name of this chapter is Fictional Places. Chapter number 60, Fictional Places, which is given on page number 87. This is very easy. Here you have to match the fictional characters to the fictional places they are associated with. So here in column A, the fictional characters have been given, and in column B, fictional places have been given. So we have to match the fictional characters to their fictional places. Okay, so this is very easy. I have given the answers. You can go through the PDF and it's very easy to do. You can do it. Thank you.